Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account, speed up your complete game, and get a custom FOV in your game. As you guys can see, if we type in FOV 90, we can literally increase our game FOV or decrease it. This is an actual Fortnite developer account. Make sure to keep watching if you guys want to learn how to do this. And without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, if you guys can't see, we literally gifted ourselves every single skin using this Fortnite dev account, which is RexFN. But without further ado, let's get straight on to the tutorial. Like I just said, we're gonna quickly exit out of Fortnite. And now what you guys want to do is you guys want to hop into the link of the description, and then once you guys are there, you guys can just go into the link advertise, which is going to be a link in the description, which is right here. It's gonna be a bit.ly link actually. Once you guys are here, you guys just want to press free access with ads, and then close this out. Also, if you guys have premium, I recommend you guys could buy premium, but obviously you don't need to. And then where it gets to Avast Secure Browser, you're going to need to install it, but you don't need to launch it. All you have to do is actually download the file. You don't need to launch it, so don't worry about that if you guys are worried about any downloads. Obviously, this is all safe and this is secure. Obviously, you guys can click off the video if it's obviously your choice. But just wait, it takes around 30 seconds. You don't even have to actually run it. As long as you install it, it'll recognize that you did this. And there you guys go. As you guys see, it says task completed, and now we can exit out of this and proceed with the downloads. Continue to Radius Dev Access, and then you guys can download Radius's Dev Access. Press save, double click on the download, and then it's gonna run automatically as an administrator on your device. You just want to click on that and then just press next, decline these promotions, and then press open. It's gonna redirect you to my Discord server, which is right here. And then once you guys are here, it's gonna launch you to my Discord server, which is right here. Obviously, don't mind these tickets. I'm actually looking for staff members to actually close these tickets. So if you guys are interested, you guys can DM me, and then once you guys DM me, I will probably give you staff if you guys are interested in that. And we also do have giveaways as well, so you guys can obviously look into that if you guys are interested. But you guys want to go specifically into the downloads channel, and you guys want to press unlock download. And then once you guys actually unlock a download, right now there's a limit of 500, so I'm gonna have to delete some tickets. But once you actually unlock a download, it's gonna take you to a ticket, which is right here, and it's gonna look something like this. What you guys want to do is you guys want to subscribe to me and my friend, so subscribe to myself. And then once you have subscribed to myself, you guys can also do this on mobile. Basically, what you guys want to do is you guys want to actually show a screenshot of being subscribed. You guys want to go onto your Windows and then type in the snipping tool, and then press open, and then press new, and then you can just take a screenshot of you being subscribed. I'm just gonna name this Rex tutorial, and then press enter. And then you guys want to create another screenshot of being subscribed to my friend X Shadow. So once you guys are subscribed to both of those accounts, you guys can also do this on mobile. There's a descriptive tutorial in the Discord on showing you what to do, so you guys can follow that exactly. So we're gonna take another screenshot, and then we're gonna save this as Shadow1234 screenshot. And then we're gonna go back into the Discord, close out of these tabs. And if you guys do read this, what you guys want to do is you guys want to type in the command !verify and include the 2 screenshots of being subscribed. If you guys are watching this video, you guys can obviously just provide a screenshot of being subscribed, and then you guys want to click on the plus, press upload file, and then you guys want to go on to the recent files, and then you guys can hover over these two and then press open, and then you guys want to type in !verify and then press enter. Once this goes through, it's gonna say scanning image to confirm you have subscribed, and then you guys should get a DM from me 6, and then from here, you guys want to press Beacons AI Radius YT, and then press yes, and it's gonna take you to the Beacons AI link. Once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the RexFN dev. It's gonna take you to another link advertise, which is right here, and then once you guys are here, you guys want to press I'm not a robot. And then you guys can close this out, and then you guys can go Avast Secure Browser. You guys can just install it once again, and then just press save. Obviously, you just install it. You don't actually have to run the program. As long as you actually install it, the download, you just wait around 30 seconds, and it'll automatically recognize that. And then guys, you guys can just close out of this one. It actually recognizes that, and then when you guys are here, you guys can continue to RexFN, and then you guys can just download RexFN. Press save, double click on the download. It's gonna run as an administrator once again, and then you guys can press next, decline these promotions, and then open. It's gonna take you to the RexFN Discord server, which is right here. Once you guys are here, you guys can go into the rules, react to the rules, and then you guys can go into the PC downloads and then go into the hybrid lobby. As you guys are here, you guys can see like a bunch of messages here. You guys just want to simply go onto the launcher download and then custom installer. So we're gonna press launcher download. Once again, it's gonna be a very quick and easy link-vertised download. I know this will probably be the last one that you guys are required to do. And you guys can just wait and then Avast secure browser, install and launch. And then you guys can press save and then wait around 30 seconds. In the meantime, you guys can go on to the custom installer. For this, guys, you guys do not need to go through a link-vertised process. You guys can just save this on your device, double click it. Very simple, guys. Just watch what I do. More info, run anyway. You guys want to type in the number 0, enter, where it says please enter a game file location. You guys just go on your desktop, right click, press new, make a new folder. I'm gonna name this folder RexFN Tutorial October. And then you guys can obviously double click on to the download or the folder that you just created, and then go where my cursor is, click, and then where it shows a file destination URL. You guys can copy this and then actually bring it over into the command prompt and then paste it in, press enter. Now just wait for this to install. There's going to be an ETA on it, on how long it's going to take. Depending on your PC, it could take up to 30 minutes to an hour. I have a very good PC, so it's only going to take around 10 minutes for me, as you guys can see. I already have this installed, so I'm going to close this out. In the meantime, while you guys are downloading this, you guys should have installed the launcher through link-vertise already, so you guys can press continue to website and actually download it, and then download the website like you did earlier. And then once you guys have done that, you guys should have the RexFN launcher, and then you guys can just launch it. Actually click the console unlocker. I'll show what that does in a minute, and then you guys also want to make sure you guys equipped it and enabled. It should automatically be enabled. You guys don't have to do anything with that. And then obviously you guys can change your stats, for example, how much bars you have in the lobby, your level, and how much crowns you have. You guys can also change your V-Bucks, which I think is a very cool feature that this dev has. And you guys want to go into the hybrid, press the 3 dots, make sure you actually select the folder that you just created. For me, it's going to be RexFN, and then you guys can press login. Log into your Fortnite account, which you actually want to get Fortnite Dev on. This is actually really important because if you don't log into the correct Fortnite account, it might not work. So make sure you actually log into the correct Fortnite account and then press launch. And then just wait for Fortnite to launch. And then guys, you guys should simply load in with the Renegade Raider or any skin, but it should be the Renegade Raider. And then you guys can go in your locker. As you guys can see, you guys have every single cosmetic for free. I just want to put a disclaimer out there that this is actually not modify your real Fortnite account in any way. But let's proceed. You guys want to gift yourself, you guys can just go into the RexFN launcher, and you guys can go into the gifting, and then let's just say we can gift yourselves a whole bunch of V-Bucks. We're gonna gift yourselves like that much V-Bucks, and then when it says done, you guys can press OK, click on your Fortnite, and then what you guys want to do is you guys can just change any cosmetic. So just go in your locker, change any cosmetic, and it should appear with as much V-Bucks as you guys can see, and then you guys just claim these V-Bucks. Also, you guys can also play around with this. You guys can also have gift yourself skins, for example. We can just press gift, and then we can just change any cosmetic in our locker, and it should automatically appear with every single skin in the whole entire game granted to us. We can just press open, and there you guys go. As you guys see, we gift ourselves every single skin, including the Aerial Saw Trooper. And then for the FOV, guys, like I showed you in the beginning of this tutorial, you guys can just press FN, and then you guys can press this keyboard button. It's under the ESC, and then you guys can just press that. And then there's also a tutorial in the RexFN Discord. If you guys go right here, it basically shows how to do this. Depending on your keyboard, if you guys have a 60% all the way up to a 120% keyboard, it's going to be a different key. Just make sure you guys actually do this. And then when you guys have unlocked the console launcher, you guys can just type in demo speed, and then you guys can just put like 20, and then press enter. And as you can see, everything is really fast. And then to change your FOV, you guys can go to seeing console unlocker, and then you guys can just do FOV and then do like 100. And it'll make your screen really small. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. If that's been your boy Radius, have a good rest of your day or wherever you guys are at.